This is just a quick flight with my 10-year-old Parkone SE5a. I usually fly this in the mornings, my little dawn patrol videos, and when you see where I've flown out, she's been tipped over a number of times. She's not as straight as she used to be. So I set up a couple of free mixes with the 10J radio, aileron and rudder with throttle. So it flies straight now between the various throttle settings. You know, I flew this model out of this tennis court probably 7 or 8 years ago, and I thought I'd come back and do it with a camera on board. So I'm just going to whip it around now. It was a little bit higher than I would have liked, so I just did the old Airline Pilot thing of transferring the energy into the ground, which reduces the landing roll and the wear and tear on the brakes. That's how one explains a heavy landing. See? And it just started to swing there, so I let that go. Normally I'd try and correct that, but I didn't want to clang into the fence. So we're just going to taxi back, a bit of down elevator to lift the tail and spin it around. And there we go, shut down. Great little model, I love it.